Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to be doing this set right here from start to finish. This is an order from my Etsy shop where I sell custom press-on nails. So starting off, I'm going to pull out this colour 148 from the brand Begorgeousnails, at least I think that's how you pronounce it. And I am going to go straight in on my medium coffin tips. Now I don't have a base coat on these tips and there is a reason for that I will explain a little later. So I'm just going straight in on these prepped tips. So I buffed them and removed the shine from the surface, and then I wiped over with acetone to make sure there was no dust or any particles left on those nails. So going straight in with this first coat right here, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm doing 4 of the nails in the milky white, and then on the ring finger I am going to go in with a coat of gorgeous silver glitter. So for the silver glitter, I'm going to use this Born Pretty right here, and this is in the shade CG101. So it is an absolutely stunning silver holographic glitter reflecting all different colors. It's not a true silver, it is one of those holographic ones, and it is so pretty. And again, there's a method for my madness because this is going to go underneath my Pixie Crystals. So after this, I'm going to pop into cure for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to go back for coat number 2. Okay, so you know the way a few seconds ago I said I didn't apply a base coat, and the reason why is because I realised that this milky polish doesn't have a sticky layer or a dispersion layer when it comes out of the lamp at all. So I knew I needed to go in with a little bit of base coat after I had my milky white applied. The reason that I needed a sticky layer is because I do want to apply some loose glitter. So you do need a little bit of a sticky layer for that loose glitter to stick, or else it just won't stick at all. So this is one of my favorites right here. It's Magpie Beauty's Angelica, and it is so pretty. I'm going to give you an up close right here. Such a gorgeous glitter. And my detailer brush here is from, I think I got that from Shein or AliExpress. But anyways, once those nails come out of the lamp, after the base coat has applied, they do have a little bit of a sticky layer. So I am just burnishing that glitter onto the cuticle area of those nails, and I'm gently pulling it back the way. So it's going to make the glitter have a little bit of a feathered look. So it's like creating an ombre effect, but kind of backwards with the glitter. And yeah, it's just a really pretty effect. You could do this with any type of color. You could do it with gold glitter. You could do it with black nail polish and silver glitter, anything that you want. But it's very simple and very effective, but you do need a sticky layer. So yeah, I didn't want these nails to be too thick, so hence the reason why I didn't go straight in with a base coat at the start. Otherwise they would have had about 5 layers of polish, and I didn't want them to be too bulky. I really hope you're enjoying this video, guys. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. So next up, I'm going to pull out these Pixie Crystals, and I am also going to grab some Beetles top gel. You need a nice thick top coat for this, or else some clear builder gel. So that ring finger earlier on that I painted glitter, the reason why I did that is because it's going to be the surface for those Pixie Crystals, and it is going to help, the glitter will help those pixies reflect nice and shiny, and it also helps if any go missing or anything like that, that the glitter is going to kind of take the place of the crystals. So I'm going to just pour those crystals over that wet top gel. And remember, this isn't cured yet at all. This is wet top gel. And I'm going to pour those crystals over and just gently nudge them into place. So I'm just using my glove to kind of make sure that the crystals are pushed in a little bit so that the sides and the top and the bottom of the nail aren't too bulky. And yeah, just basically kind of manipulating it around a tiny bit, but you don't want to push too much or else they will just go absolutely everywhere. I swear this fan brush comes in for a multitude of uses. I'm using it here as a little sweeping brush to get those last of those pixie crystals. But I just love when tools come in so handy for multiple uses. I think I bought that at the start of my nail journey and I use it all the time. So here I am now just painting on a no wipe top coat, and I am just making sure to give a nice generous coat over that, especially over the top of the glitter there, because you don't want it to be any way kind of bulky or you don't want to feel the glitter. So I'm just making sure I got a nice generous top coat, and this is how they look at the end. I'm so happy with them. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below if you have a press on nail shop or an Etsy shop, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.